Farmers and ranchers are facing some tough issues, including packer concentration, meat labeling, and the right to repair. Those are just some of the topics speakers tackled at the South Dakota Farmers Union annual convention.
Questions were flying as producers voiced their concerns to this panel of industry leaders.
The packer concentration is just a huge problem for us. Four major packers killing most of the cattle, and they've just got so much total control over us. All the cattle feeders are at their mercy. There's no competitive markets left anymore. They give us what they feel like they're going to give us that day, and that's all there is.
Michael Cades from the United States Department of Justice was also on the panel, so South Dakotans could voice their concerns directly to those working to make change.
That's where the Department of Justice comes in. If they feel that, and I hope they do, find that there is manipulation in the markets, there is pricing monopoly there, that not only maybe break them up with a way to keep our markets open and successfully keep processing beef, because we can't just break them up. We got to have a way to do it with and keep the supply chain going, but at least let them know that, hey, you better start playing fair or we will be breaking you up.
Michael couldn't really answer a lot of the questions simply because of pending cases and such. So, I wouldn't say it was frustrating that people understood, but I think the thing that people really liked is the fact that we're finally having these discussions. It seems like there's some movement forward.
Right to repair was also a topic of discussion.
If we just had access so that we could, a lot of times it's a simple fix. As soon as they plug in their software, they find out it's a sensor somewhere, and it might be a $15 sensor. It takes you 10 minutes to replace. And if we just had that ability to have that software on our own so that we can quickly identify and fix our equipment.
You can hear what Michael Cades had to say in response to some of these questions and concerns at AgWeek.com. Thanks for watching AgweekTV on YouTube. Make sure to like and subscribe. We put out new videos every Saturday.